I entered the bank. I talked to the financial advisor. Money is useful because you can buy items from the Grand Exchange if you don't want to craft them yourself. Gold coins are the currency of the human kingdoms. Your coins are kept in your coin pouch below the items in your backpack. You currently have 0 coins. There are 3 basic ways to make money: skilling, combat, and trading. Some people have work for an adventurer like you, and will reward you for completing quests. Many enemies will drop items when they die. You can sell them to the general store or on the Grand Exchange in Varric. By getting a high level in skills such as cooking, mining, smithing, or fishing, you can create or gather your own items and sell them for pure profit. You can only carry so many items in your backpack. You can deposit the items you want to keep, but not sell, into your bank. I withdraw 1 coin. I withdraw all of the coins. You're nearly finished. The prayer instructor would like to have a chat with you in the nearby church. The bank has a vault. There are 3 windows and 6 candles. There are also 2 doors and 2 tables. There is paper on the board. The board is on the wall. The scale measures weights. I enter the church. Good day, brother. My name's GalaxyCon. Hello, GalaxyCon. I'm Brother Brace. I'm here to tell you about prayer. Are there rules for how I should behave? Yes, in general, always try to be courteous to others. Remember that adventurers like yourself are real people with real feelings. If you go around being abusive or causing trouble, you could end up in trouble. I'll keep that in mind. The church has 4 pews. It also has an altar. The church has a lot of candles. The book is on the altar. I entered the magician's home. Good day, newcomer. Your journey is nearly at its end. My name is Tarova. Before you leave for the mainland, I'm going to tell you a little bit about magic. Let's start by opening your spell book. This is a list of your spells. Casting spells increases your magic skill and consumes runes, which you carry in your backpack. You create runes with the runecrafting skill. With a low magic level, you can cast only the simplest spells, such as airstrike. You must wield a magic weapon to cast combat spells. You'll begin your adventure in Burthorpe, in the kingdom of Asgarnia. The Burthorpe Imperial Guard need an adventurer like yourself to defend their principality from trolls invading from the north. I'm going to deactivate the protective spells around this island, so you can home teleport to Burthorpe using the lodestone network. If you ever get lost, you can freely teleport to a lodestone you have discovered. This map shows which lodestones you have activated so far. The Burthorpe lodestone has been activated for you. Click the lodestone to teleport there. Burthorpe. I arrived in Burthorpe.